Up in the Big Game Hunter. I'm a coach who helps people professionally in a number of different ways. That could be with a job search, hiring more effectively, managing and leading, workplace-related issues, career development, executive coaching. There's a lot of things I help with. Here's a great question from someone. How can an applicant effectively tailor cover letters? I think there are two things a person needs to do to effectively tailor a cover letter. Let me give you example number one, or part number one of this. Part number one is if you're sending an attachment. Number one is you don't call it cover letter .doc, you put it into the body of the email. And thus, the cover letter might read, I'm forwarding my resume to you for such and such role that I understand you're trying to fill with your organization. Let me walk you through how my background fits the role. Flush left, you put one of the requirements of the position. Flush right, how long and how recently you have used that technology, done that task, and you look at the requirements and then the skills sought and do it throughout. Skip over anything that you haven't done. Focus on the things that you have. Then the final paragraph reads, I'll be in touch with you in the next few days to follow up if I haven't heard from you. Best wishes, signature. That's the cover letter itself. Now, where do you place it? Now, again, if you're emailing a cover letter, it's the body of the email. It's not a separate attachment. If you're uploading it to an applicant tracking system, which, by the way, never, ever apply for a job through an applicant tracking system, but let's say you do. You want to go that route. You make the cover letter page one of your resume. Huh? Why page one? Easy. Applicant tracking systems want to see the things that it's looking for earlier in the document than later. So if you're sending it or uploading it as an applicant to an applicant tracking system, you want to in effect stuff page one with the things that it's looking for so that it registers you as being someone who might be a fit. And then, of course, page two is the real beginning of the resume. And in the real beginning of the resume, what you're trying to do is to confirm what's in the cover letter, again, as early as possible. So in effect, what you're doing is generating double iterations of all the keywords the system is looking for. That makes sense to you? I'm sure it does. Hope you found this helpful. I'm Jeff Altman. Visit my website, thebiggamehunter.us. You can schedule a free discovery call, schedule coaching with me. There's a lot more there that you can watch, listen to, or read that'll help you find work more quickly. You can also subscribe to my channel on YouTube by clicking the small icon in the lower right or the picture of me in the upper left, and you'll get notified whenever I release something new. And you can also watch me on your Fire TV or Fire TV stick. Download the app Job Search TV, or on other platforms like Roku, Apple TV, Sony, Samsung, whole host of other sets. Download an app called BingeNetworks.tv. You can watch me there. Have a great day. Take care.